Hey guys, I hope you're having a beautiful day. In today's video, how many calories you need to lose fat, build muscle, or maintain your physique. Alright, before we hop into it, I wanted to say if you guys find value in this video, hit the like button, leave a comment down below on a future video you'd like to see, and subscribe for weekly fitness, nutrition, and mindset tips that'll always be under 10 minutes. Alright, let's hop into it. In this video, we're gonna go through three things. The first one being calories. We're gonna find your maintenance number, because we need this number to then subtract to find your fat loss number, or to add to get your muscle gain number. We're then gonna go find your protein number, and this is important because it's gonna help sustain the muscle that you currently have, as well as support new muscle growth. And then make sure you stick around to the end, because number three, we're gonna go through some important information, important side notes that might help answer any questions you guys had throughout the video. Alright, let's find your maintenance. Take your body weight, whatever your body weight is. In this example, I'm using a person that's 180 pounds. And then multiply it by one of these three numbers. So 13 if you're sedentary, don't work out, and have 20 plus pounds to lose. 14 if you're semi-active, work out 2 to 3 times per week and have 10 to 20 pounds to lose. And then 15 if you're active, working out 4 to 6 times per week and have 10 or less pounds to lose. You'll take this number and then we're gonna hop into fat loss. Alright, let's talk about your fat loss number. Whatever maintenance number you found in the last clip, take that number and subtract 500 from it to get your new number. In this example, we used a 180 pound person and we multiplied by 14 to get 2,520 minus 500, that's 2020. And that will have you losing a pound of fat each week. This is sustainable. You don't want to have to lose the weight twice. If you do it this way, it'll be sustainable and you'll be able to keep the results for the long run. But let's hop into muscle gain now. Let's talk about how many calories you need to optimize muscle growth. So take the maintenance number we found in step one, our number was 2,520, and add 125 to 250 calories. These aren't subtraction symbols, by the way, this is a range. So add these calories and you get a new goal calorie range, right? You can eat anywhere in this calorie range and it's gonna have you gaining 1 to 2 pounds per month, not week. So you're not gonna gain back all the fat you just lost doing your fat loss phase. This is gonna have you gaining weight slowly over time. It's gonna be sustainable and it's gonna optimize muscle growth. Let's hop into protein now. All right, protein. For protein, this is gonna be the most complicated formula, but we'll go through it quickly. So all you're gonna do is take your goal body weight, times it by 1, and you'll get your protein goal in grams for each day. So our individual was 180 pounds in the example, so let's say his goal body weight is 170. Take 170, times it by 1, and you get 170. And you get 170. Alright, eating this much is going to help you sustain your current muscle as well as support new muscle growth in your body, right? You can't grow muscle or sustain your muscle if you just don't eat protein ever. And 170 grams for a 180 pound individual is not hard to hit that daily. So if your goal body weight is 150, that is not a hard number to hit daily. Alright, let's go into some important side notes that you should consider. In the beginning of the video, we found your maintenance number, but no calculator is accurate to a T. Nothing is 100% accurate. So if you want to be as accurate as you can with that number, when we found it in the beginning of the video, you're going to take that number, you're going to eat at that level for 2 weeks, tracking your weight each day. And if your weight is trending upward, you know that's not your true maintenance number. You drop calories by 100 to 200 until your weight stabilizes. Or if you're, say you were eating at that maintenance number that we found in the beginning and your weight's dropping, then you can up your calories by 100 to 200 until your weight starts to stabilize. Now let's go over why I chose goal body weight instead of just your regular body weight for your protein goal. So if you are 200, 250 pounds and you want to get to say like 160, 170, 180, eating 200 to 250 grams of protein per day is just going to be overkill. It's going to make your diet so stressful, terrible. Who's going to eat that much protein in one day? Nobody. So that's why we use goal body weight for the protein goal. You're going to take your goal body weight, times it by 1, and that's going to be your daily protein goal each day. Alright guys, if you made it this far, I appreciate you. Thank you for putting up with my terrible handwriting. Be sure if you found value into this video to like, comment something you'd like to see in the future, and subscribe for weekly fitness, nutrition, and mindset tips.